Hi there, it's Aderma with WTI, and today I'm going to show you a lotion that I like to use since I have very dry skin. This is the Aderma Exomega Emollient cream. My skin, like I said, is very dry and it gets irritated easily, but this cream helps me a lot. I like to apply it after showering, especially. I apply it on my hands and then on my arms, legs and neck as well. The feeling it leaves is very good because the skin feels moisturized and fresh and it doesn't feel sticky. And something that I also like is that it doesn't smell. So if you have allergies to strong scents, this one is really good because it doesn't smell. I really recommend it if, like me, you have very dry skin and want to moisturize it. This is the Aderma Exomega Emollient cream. I love it, and that's my point of view.